In this video, we'll show you how to use comments in Slickplan's Content Planner, including block level and inline commenting, plus the collaboration tools on the right side of the editor. To leave a block comment, click the comment icon in the top right corner of any content block. It's the first icon in the Blocks toolbar. A comment card will appear on the right side of the screen. Type your comment, tag teammates with @mentions, and click Send to post. You can reply, resolve, like, edit, or delete the comment. Block comments are marked with a blue line on the left of the comment card. To leave an inline comment, highlight any text inside a text block or notes block. A floating mini Twitter will appear. Click the comment icon to add a comment. You can also use the comment button in the top formatting toolbar. Inline comments appear in the same comment area on the right and are marked with a yellow line. Just like block comments, you can reply, resolve, like, edit, or delete. All comments are managed in the comment area on the right side of the editor. At the top of this area, click the View toggle to switch between all comments and resolved ones. Click the Hide icon to remove comments and suggested edits temporarily from view while you focus on writing. That's it. Use comments to keep feedback and collaboration organized, all without leaving your page. For more information, please visit the support site. Thanks for watching.